Hey, what's up, guys? If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm a car guy. Matter of fact, my family's been doing automotive repairs in this building for over 86 years. We've seen 8 decades where the cars come through this shop. You gotta believe me when I'm getting ready to tell you. The last few decades of cars are crap. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What you see here, that is all that holds that hood and the bumper on that car. So take this Hyundai Elantra right here. This car got hit at the speed of 20 miles an hour and did $5,000 worth of damage. Let me show you what holds this front end together. This is the scary part. That hood and bumper you just saw me take off that car, what holds it on is in this bucket. Check it out. That is it. That is all that holds that hood and that bumper on that car. Unlike this 69 deuce and a quarter, there is no plastic clips holding this car together. This thing has all bolts holding it together. Solid steel bumpers. If you get in an accident at 20 miles an hour, all you're gonna need to do is take a rag and wipe off the dirt. So think about this, guys. The next time you're out shopping for a new car, pop that hood, look on the bottom side, look at all that crappy plastic holding that car together, and think to yourself, I'm getting ready to spend $40,000 or more. Not me, Jack. I'll take a classic car any day. Catch you later.